Do you say what color you like, or do you say which color you like? If you think they mean the same thing, you might be making a common mistake. While both the words help us ask questions, choosing the right one depends on one secret rule, that is, the choice rule. Today I'll show you exactly how to pick the right word so your English sounds perfect every time. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಚ್ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾವುದು ಎಂದೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಳಸೋದು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಆಯ್ಕೆಗಳು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿತವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಆಯ್ಕೆಗಳು ಅನ್ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಸಂಖ್ಯಾತವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಗೊಂದಲವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪರಿಹರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Welcome back to English So Easy, where we make complex grammar, well, easy. If you want to improve soft skills, you must start with the basics. Let's look at what versus which. Imagine which to be a very small box with limited choices, while what is like a vast sky. Which is specific while what is general. Stay until the end for 10 essential quizzes to see if you have actually mastered the topic. The golden rule is that use which when you have a limited or small number of choices, and use what when there are unlimited or infinite possibilities. Imagine you're standing in front of a rainbow or a wall of 500 paints. What is your favorite color? Why? Because you're asking about any color in the whole world. And again, there is a scenario B. You're holding a red pen and a blue pen in your hands. Which color do you want? Why? Because the choice is limited to just those two. It's the quiz time now. Dash is your phone number. The answer is what is your phone number? Because there are billions of possible numbers. ಅಸಂಖ್ಯಾತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we use what. Dash size do you wear? Small, medium or large? The answer here is which, because you are only choosing from 3 specific options. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ 3 ಸೈಜ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ which ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. Dash is your favorite book. What is your favorite book? Because it is any book in this world, that is unlimited. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅದರಿಂದ ವಾಟ್ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡು ಯು ರೈಟ್ ವಿತ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್? The answer is which, because you have only 2 hands. Dash way should we go, left or right turn? Which way should we go, left or right turn? Because choosing between 2 specific turns. Dash is the capital of Karnataka. The correct answer is what is the capital of Karnataka, because you are asking for a general fact. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವುದು, ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಜನರಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್, ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್. 7th one, dash flavor of ice cream would you like? and this is out of 30 flavors. If you are using a menu, use which and use what if you are asking generally. And since you have 30 flavors, the limited choice, you can say which flavor of ice cream would you like. Moving on to the next one. Dash language is easier to learn, English or French? The answer to this would be which. Language is easier to learn, English or French? Which, because you are comparing two specific languages. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸುಲಭ? ಎರಡು ಭಾಷೆಗಳು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ವಿಚ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. 9th one, dash is the time. The answer is, come on, tell me, what is the time? Because this is a standard fixed phrase. This is a standard fixed phrase for time. ಸಮಯನ್ನು ಕೇಳುವ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಶೈಲಿ ವಾಟ್ is the time? Next one, dash of these keys opens the front door. Which of these keys opens the front door? Since we are selecting from specific group of keys, we use which. ಈ ಕೆಲವು ಕೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿಚ್ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.